Hello friends, now to solve this expression we use BODMAS rule which stands for bracket. First we solve B. B stand for bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, division. According to BODMAS, we handle division before addition and subtraction. Now first, there is no brackets. First we divide the values and after we'll get 1. Division has a higher priority than the addition and subtraction. So now the expression becomes 7 plus 7 multiplied by 7 minus second step, multiplication. We multiply the digits first. 7 multiplied by 7 equals to 49. And according to this step, multiplication must be completed before moving to addition and subtraction. Now the current expression becomes 7 plus 49 minus 1. Now moving to third step, addition. First we add the digits from left to right. Now 7 plus 49 equals to 56, and according to this step, following the order, we combine the positive integers first. So now the expression becomes 56 minus 1. Finally, we subtract the value. This is the last final operation and we subtract the values. After we'll get 55 as a final result. Solutions is by strictly following the BODMAS hierarchy, performing division and multiplication first, followed by addition and subtraction. So the final value of this expression is 55. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.